Survival in the outdoors doesn't give you time to fumble with faulty tools. You need equipment that's fast, efficient, and adaptable to any situation. And the Annihilate FA3 survival shovel from Zune Lotoo seemed like a worthy tool for checking all those boxes. It felt like a well-thought-out tool that understands the genuine demands of survival. So in today's video, we're going to review the Annihilate FA3 and show you how this shovel can keep you on the winning side at times of survival. When we opened the package, everything was laid out thoughtfully inside a strong carrying pouch made of 600D Oxford fabric. Inside the pouch, we found the shovel blade, modular handle, and tools like a fire starter and knife were all there. Every tool was neatly organized, so we didn't face any difficulty bringing them out of the box. Putting it together was very easy. We started by screwing the handle sections together, and the modular design really stood out. It let us choose the perfect length for whatever job we had in mind, whether it was a longer handle for digging or a shorter one for close-up work. Once we had the handle assembled, we attached it to the blade. The blade had a locking mechanism that let us adjust its angle. Setting it to a straight position for digging or angling it at 90 degrees for hoeing was simple, and the lock held steady. We also liked the clever integration of tools, like the fire starter and knife, which could be stored right inside the handle. Once fully assembled, the shovel felt sturdy and ready for anything. It took us just a few minutes to get everything set up. The FA3 shovel uses stainless steel and aircraft-grade aluminum to create a tool that's both tough and reliable. The shovel head undergoes a detailed month-long molding and casting process that ensures it's solid and strong. The oil coating on the head served as a barrier against rust, so it stayed in top condition over time. The handle is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, which gives it the perfect mix of durability and lightness. At a weight of 3.6 pounds and a Rockwell hardness rating of 52 to 55, we found that it could handle tough tasks without feeling too heavy or unwieldy. The thick, sharp edges on the shovel head added to its strength, which makes it ideal for hard use. Plus, the adjustable angle of 0 to 135 degrees allowed us for versatile digging and chopping, adapting to different situations with ease. The FA3 shovel is great because it solved many problems we were facing in our campsites. We've used it in our camping, and we didn't need to bring a separate axe for cutting branches, a knife for preparing small tasks, or a separate hammer for your tent stakes. This tool has it all. We adjusted it to different angles, such as a 90-degree setting for hoeing, or a straight 180-degree configuration for digging. This flexibility helped us to adapt to different tasks, like digging fire pits, trenching, or clearing snow from under your vehicle during a winter road trip. The modular design also helped us customize the handle length to suit the task or your comfort level. This compact tool performs various tasks like cutting branches, splitting logs, preparing firewood, and digging shelter. We tried them all, and it remained intact after extensive use. Despite its foldable design, it could bear up to 450 kilograms of weight, which makes it incredibly durable. And to add on that, a camera attachment point allowed us to double this shovel as a monopod. We adjusted the length of its modular section for both digging deeper holes and reaching difficult spots. The blade has serrated edges that act as a saw. It helped us to cut through small branches for firewood. There's even a fire starter included. We just stroked the magnesium rod against the steel edge to create sparks, and got it perfect for starting our campfire in the wilderness. One of the best things about this tool is how compact and portable it is. When folded, it fits neatly into our carrying pouch, so it doesn't take up much room in backpacks or cars. No matter if you're on a hike, camping, or keeping it handy for emergencies, you'll appreciate how easy it is to carry. To get the most out of the Annihilate FA3, it's important to maintain it well. After using it, you should clean off any dirt or moisture to prevent rust, especially on the blade and screws. Lubricating the joints occasionally ensures smooth folding and adjustment. Practicing with the shovel before you need it in a high-pressure situation is also a good idea. Knowing how to assemble it quickly and use the various tools efficiently can save time and effort. So this was our review of the Annihilate FA3 Survival Camping Shovel. The next time you're stuck in a survival need, this shovel could be the friend indeed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share it with your friends.